Do you feel unsuccessful or unfulfilled whenever you see other affiliate marketers earning big and seven figures? And do you get so angry at yourself because you've not been able to make sales or reach your target since you started affiliate marketing? So if all of this resonates with you and you've been looking for a way to become a successful affiliate marketer and earn seven figures, then watch this video to the very end, because I will be showing you the hidden methods on how to become a successful affiliate marketer, which you've never seen anywhere. Joshua used the same method I'm about to share with you and became a seven-figure earner on Digistem affiliate marketing within 3 months. And mind you, Joshua is just 16 years old. Adekunle also used the same method and crushed 345,000 naira in less than 2 months. Tolu used this same method and made over $1,000 in less than 2 months as a youth corps member serving in the northern part of Nigeria. That is a corper, right? This, and this affiliate used the same method and made money. You can do better if you watch to the very end. So first, you need to acknowledge the fact that success is not accidental. You have to work for it. Success is not by luck. You must prepare for it. So you must pay the price before you can get the prize. And to get the prize, you need to supply the demands of success. I will be showing you the step-by-step method you need to become a successful affiliate marketer. Either you are marketing for ExpertNet affiliate, Digistem affiliate, or StakeCut, or any other affiliate platform. This method works so well for all and even for any kind of business. So what next after you become a registered affiliate marketer? Before I talk on that, I need you to know first that after your registration, you don't have to be in haste to make money, so you won't mix up some vital things and miss out on little basic or foundational things that matters. Remember, you didn't resume secondary school and graduate the same day. Rather, it took a lot of learning processes before you finally got your secondary school certificate. In the same way, you need the marketing and business know-how of your affiliate business. Study the platform and the business as a whole. Know how it works. Study those already at the top in the same affiliate platform. Then follow them and know how it works. For success to come, there's a demand for development. There's need to build and keep building your capacity and knowledge in the affiliate marketing area. No one knows it all. That's why learning never ends. Your seven-figure success story requires that there is a preparation today, because today's preparation brings the success of tomorrow. So another demand of success is discipline. Okay? Discipline. To become a successful affiliate marketer, it demands your discipline, the capacity to restrain desires and wait for a delayed gratification. I know that these days people want instant gratification. They want to make it now, now, and now. It is either now or never. The desperation out there to be wealthy or to be very, very rich is very crazy. I mean, it's very, very crazy. But great success requires great effort and greater time. Discipline is like a control valve of your business. How great and successful your business will become is determined by your discipline. So you have to discipline yourself in different areas of your life, like in the aspect of your time. You have to discipline yourself in the area of your time. Discipline your time, okay? Because time is vital. You yourself and use your time productively. Remember that you have the same 24 hours of time daily with every other successful affiliate. If they are successful and you aren't, then the problem is you. Okay? The problem is you, and you. Spend more time on your business rather than let the social media junks and comedy use your time for you. Also, you need to discipline your thoughts. Discipline yourself to think success. Think positively. Don't ever think failure. You need to just discipline your mindset. What are the things you think about? You know, some people, when they just start a business, perhaps they try and then maybe they're not really getting the result. They start to think like, oh no, this thing can't really work for me. I'm going to fail, and all of those kind of negative thoughts. Sometimes there are negative thoughts that could come your way, but train your mind to never accommodate them. Believe you will make money through your business rather than accommodate fear and thoughts of impossibilities. Also, you need to discipline your treasure. This is very important. It's good to desire beautiful things. It's good to love spending, but take caution and discipline yourself. It's not all you treasure or desire that you must buy. When you start making money, ensure you reinvest in your business. This is very important. When you reinvest in your business, you make more money. And when you've already made it, then you can really spend on whatever you like. You can buy whatever you like. So another demand of success is diligence. These days, a lot of people are so lazy. They don't want to do anything. They just want free money, like, like they're plucking the money from the tree or they're picking it in their house. You must work tirelessly and diligently on your business. Affiliate marketing is not juju or voodoo. It takes work and patience. Pay the price now so you can earn the prize later. Put in your effort to work on every knowledge you've acquired concerning your affiliate business. Ensure you do everything you must do to make sales daily. Do not relent and never get tired. If you make no sale today, try it again tomorrow, try the next day, and keep trying. One day you will break even and sales will become easy and stress-free like your favorite food. Another demand of success is sacrifice. You need to take a great stretch to reach a great height. Success requires inconveniences. You need to inconvenience yourself. Do the right thing your business needs at the right time and not at your convenience. If you are waiting to get moved, maybe when you are in the mood before you take action about your business, then you wait till forever. Don't wait till you are in the mood. Just do it because you know it is important for your business. Okay, it's sacrifice. You need to forgo some pleasure for your business. Take a break from those time consuming activities that add no value to you and invest more on your business. Imagine going to a store and on several occasions you always see the store locked. Would you keep going there or you will find an alternative? So take your business seriously. Take it like your life, okay? One who has a shop will wake up early to open up before 9 a.m. because only an open shop will receive customers to purchase their goods. The same goes with your affiliate marketing business. Your website and your social media platform, they are your shop, okay? Ensure you show up there always, all the time. And this reminds me of one of my agricultural page. I had this agricultural page many years ago while I was into agri business. I think that should be around 2017, yes. So when I quit the business, I stopped posting on the page. But guess what? I left the page earlier enough when the followers were very little, about 90 or thereabouts. But the last time I checked the page, I was amazed at how the followers has increased from 90 to 1,000, even without posting on the page for years. I always wonder, like, why are people liking a page that is not functional? Then I realized that the content I had there is the catch. Now imagine I hadn't stopped posting on the page. Imagine if I didn't quit the business. Just imagine how well the page would have grown and boost my business. You see, consistency is vital in every kind of business, no matter the business you're doing, either online or offline. Consistency is very, very important. That you're putting effort today and not getting your desired result doesn't mean you won't get it later. Okay. So, in summary, I'm simply telling you to understand the affiliate business you are into, understand the product and how it works, how it can help your targeted audience. So learn all you need to know about the business, learn from top affiliates in the business, and after the whole learning, act. Yes, I mean, take immediate action. Do all they do and even do more, because action is a pillar of your success. Some people are informed but still broke because they don't take action, and many are too lazy to act. Some are CEO of procrastination. Yes, I know a lot of people join affiliate marketing with a lazy mindset of making free money without work, but sorry, work equals to money. You have to work. The only thing that makes affiliate marketing looks easy or cheap, in quotes, is the absence of hard or physical labor. You only have to do the work online. You don't need to like stress yourself, the stress of physical business, jumping from one place to another and all of those stuff. You don't need all that. You just need your phone or your laptop to do your business online. So that is just the easiest thing about affiliate marketing. It doesn't mean that the money is free, that you won't work for it. No, you gotta work. Okay, so generate leads consistently, nurture them to become a paying client, and close sales daily. And voila, money will land in your account and you become a 7-figure affiliate. So if you're yet to become an affiliate and you are interested, I do recommend Digistem Affiliate Marketing. It's a very good affiliate marketing platform that pays in dollars. Okay, so Digistem is just all you need to start your affiliate marketing journey. And trust me, when you try it, you will never regret it. So if you are still not clear about affiliate marketing as a whole, I recommend you watch this next video for more clarity. And if you would like to learn more directly on WhatsApp with me and also register, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more videos on affiliate marketing. Bye.